SMC Park Avenue 3.
Motor's kind of small. I think it is only a 42-inch.
I like the light kit on it. Very nice.
Fast boat.
Blow some air. Love to have one of these. This is an actual house. Not bad. It's pretty nice. Works pretty well. No, don't mess like it. Just stop messing with it, Jared. Stop it.
I was going to demonstrate why, but the chain is too stiff.
There's Jared's mom talking. Is this flush mounted? And it's pretty nice. I like it. This is an antique store.
Fits the room well, but
Yeah.
I think a larger version would be a bit better.
And there's the blades, cane, and everything. Thank you for watching. Like it. Thank